The carrier strike group, I and many people would argue, is the United States power projection capability. We can go anywhere in the world at the drop of a hat and project our power where it needs to go. So the impact is no kidding. If we don't have that ability to do that, we lose some of our deterrent capability, certainly lose some of our power projection capability, so it's absolutely critical what we do here. My name is Commander Dan Catlin, Commanding Officer of VFA-106. To give an idea of kind of the scale, size, and tempo of things that goes on here, we have 1,300 people, including civilians, and most of them are sailors. We do have civilians that work here as well, and we have 46 aircraft. And on any given day, we need to have all those resources ready to go so that we can support training, which is incredibly important because from this squadron and our sister squadron VFA-122 on the West Coast, we are generating the fleet replacement for all air crew for the pilots and the weapon system officers flying the Super Hornet. Every single person, I tell my news check-ins, and I meet everybody when they check in here to welcome them aboard, and I tell them all the same thing, that there's not a single person in the squadron that is more important than the other person. I don't view myself as a commanding officer as any more important than the brand new 18-year-old airman, because both have important jobs, and if we don't do our jobs, that's going to come at the detriment of our mission. And so it takes everybody in this command, military or civilian, in order to get the job done.
Step one for us is essentially a pilot at VFA-106. Your job is to kind of instruct the new kind of generation of people coming through. Not necessarily generation, but guys who are about 4-ish or so years younger. So gone through a full fleet tour, essentially about 3.5 years. Coming back here and now just pretty much taking all the experience I've learned within the fleet, coming back now and just teaching guys who are just now learning to fly the F-18. And essentially get them like a baseline knowledge to get ready and prepare themselves for going out to the fleet and essentially doing what I did about 3-4 years ago.
This aircraft has about a gajillion moving parts on it. We're pushing these aircraft hard, and it requires dedicated efforts of everybody to get those aircraft flying and up in the air and safely recovered.